If your prospects can buy from you anytime, they won't buy from you at all. Do you know the actual secret behind the instant sales? It is urgency. And in today's video, we are going to talk about urgency. So, hi, my name is Hamza, and I break down powerful books into short summaries so you can learn and implement instantly. And today is our episode 11 of Alex Hormozi $100 million offer series, where I am going to talk about how to master the art of urgency. So, let's dive into it. Now, basically, what is urgency? Did you know we talk about scarcity in our previous video? What scarcity does is it works based on the quantity, and what urgency does is it works based on the time. Now both of them work same, but when it comes to urgency, it creates a FOMO in the prospect. They basically have a fear of missing out. There are basically 5 types of urgencies. One, the deadline urgency. Here you can just cut off the time when your client can stop signing up. So you can say, sign up today or this offer only lasts for next 48 hours. The second type of urgency is rolling cohort urgency. Here you can say, sign up today so I can put you in the batch which is going to start from the next Monday, or else you have to wait for another week or the next group when it starts. The third type of urgency is seasonal naming urgency. Here you just name your offer in a seasonal type of way. It can be something like monsoon special sales, summer special sales, winter arc special sales. Although the offer is same, but it gives a new fresh look for the offer. The fourth and the best one is the bonuses and the pricing urgency. Here you can say, sign up today so you can get 2 one-on-one consultation call for this week, or else it is gone forever. And the last and the best one is rolling and exploding opportunity. Here you can say something like this to your client: sign up today so you can get bonuses worth $3,000, but for you it's just only $499 for the next 48 hours. Claim it or it's gone forever. Now you know how to master the art of urgency. In next videos, we are going to talk about how to master the art of bonuses. So you don't want to miss out on this. So do hit that subscribe button, do like, share or comment, and thank you for watching.